Hello everybody, welcome to Swinging for Profits. Today's August 5th. Today we're going to start off looking at the Dow. Overnight lows on the futures did make a lower low. Job or employment reports were a little weaker than anticipated. So the big news in the morning was Feds are going to delay their interest rate hikes. Really drove the markets up early here. To be settled back down this afternoon, that Disney was dragging down the Dow, bad earnings. Looking at the diamonds, you do see it did not make a lower low today. The lows on the Dow futures were overnight. Diamonds didn't follow. They actually had a higher high, higher lows. So we were looking at this and decided that we were going to take on a August 2nd 178 call. We got into this trade at 73 cents. Got a little bit stronger volume here, so we're going to look to see if we can get back up and challenge this high that was made the other day of 177.73. See if we can make a little bit of money off this trade. Next few days, like I said, there's a lot of information coming out. Some of these others, the S&P, really, could go either way, but really pay attention. We closed today on the ES at 2094.75. All-time high, 2134. That is not that much of a difference or out of the realm that this thing could move 40 points in the next few days to come back up and make all-time highs. Overnight trading right now is down just marginal. They did have some bad earnings come out after the bell today. Tesla wasn't looking very good. Fitbit wasn't looking very good. Couple of minor ones that don't really matter came out with decent earnings. But right now it's all about the news. Feds, China, Greek. It's all trying to knock these down, but what are they trying to knock it down for? I look at the moves the last couple days here, not that much volume. These down moves, you want to see volume increasing as it's coming down. I'm not really seeing it here. So really I'm leaning towards we're going to start seeing some higher highs. We look back at the NASDAQ futures. It soared today. It settled back down, but it soared. It took out the high from a couple days ago, settled back down, down marginally overnight here. Volume of moderate. We look back at the Qs. That also did really well today. Again, as usual, continued higher, took out that high, settled back down. Nice little spike in the volume there. Don't like to see it settling down in the lower 3% of the bar, but it's got the potential more to the upside than the downside right now. Apple, hey, said it last night. We were looking to see if this thing could fill the gap that was made back over here. 112.48 was the fill we were looking for. Well, you got it this morning. Made a low of 112.10. Surged back up to close the day up 76 cents, 115.40. This will be a watcher here. The gap was filled. I don't see any reason why we don't come back up to the 122 range. Challenge what's going on up here. Be interesting. We're going to keep watching this over the next couple days to see how it reacts. We're going to continue to monitor the Dow. Said more news to come this week. We'll see. Hopefully we can squeeze a profit out of this one and maybe even come back up to challenge the gap that's up here. So thanks for watching and stay tuned.